Hey, how are you? It's Scott. You can see the ocean behind me. I'm on vacation. Lucky to be here. And I started thinking, how did I even get here? How did I get lucky enough to go on vacation and so forth? Thinking about my first customer in 1999. He was in Batavia, Illinois, and had an appointment set, sort of. You know, I said, hey, I'm coming. If you don't want me to come, call me, which of course they don't do. And I got to the front desk, and she paged Jerry, and Jerry says, oh, I don't know who that guy is. Tell him to get lost. She said, well, he said he had an appointment. He doesn't have an appointment. Just tell him I'm not available. He didn't realize he was on the speakerphone, so I heard everything. She was embarrassed. She's like, I'm sorry, you're going to have to leave. I said, okay, fine. Thank you for trying. Appreciate it. Well, I didn't give up that easy. So I walked around the building because he was back in maintenance, and there's a place where they measure the weight of the trucks. And so I just put my head, no trespassing sign. Now, I'm not suggesting that you walk through no trespassing signs, but here's what I did. I put my head down, acted like I knew what I was doing. I shot through. And the guy goes, hey, wait a minute. The guy running the truck goes, what are you doing? I go, hey, man, I'm here to see Jerry. He's waiting for me. I go, I'm actually a little bit late. I got to get to him. He goes, oh, really? Jerry's waiting for you. I go, yeah, he's waiting for me. I got to get there. He says, oh, okay. This is Jerry, standing right next to him. Can you believe it? What are the odds of that? How embarrassing. Talk about getting busted. I said, hey, Jerry, Scott. He goes, I told her to tell you I wasn't available. I go, I know. I go, I got free product. I go, just give me 2 minutes. I drove all the way here to see you. Give me 2 minutes. That's all I ask, and I'll get out of here in 2 minutes. I promise you. So, all right, fine. Let me hear your story. Anyway, Jerry became my first customer of all time. I was there for 45 minutes. The moral of the story is you have to get through the gatekeeper. You have to get the appointment. And when you're trying to get appointments, don't try to get the sale. Just get the appointment. Get in front of the potential customers, and then you can talk to them. If you try to sell them right away on the phone, they're going to turn off to you. Even though he turned off anyway because I was new and he never heard of me. But anyway, got through the gatekeeper. I never gave up. I got the meeting with Jerry finally, and he became my first customer. Never, ever give up on trying to get your customers. Never give up ever, but never give up on getting the customers. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed the view.